Alrighty, what's happening, everyone? Quick video lesson of today's trades. Only two tickers to go over today. So EVGO is the first one, and it's really just it's an earnings winner today. It's a breakout. So I had it on watch and really kind of just let it do its thing in the morning. Never touched it in here. I was just too busy with work. It did set up some nice structure here, nice descending volume. Took a stab at it at 1823, and it ended up I didn't sell any in here. I was not expecting this big of a pullback. Ended up just cutting it for basically break even. It was a small win, but basically just a scratch. And then I really just held the breakout all day, and then started making higher lows. Once we made this new high, I saw that it was just downtrending, and right here it made a nice little double bottom. And I really just, it was really kind of just like just following the trend, just going with the flow of the trend. And it put in a nice little double bottom, higher low, and ripped right through. So I snagged some shares at 1884 and sold in the 1930s. I was expecting, I sold half here in 1930s, in like the 1930s, and was really expecting for this to have another push and break past high of day. And we really just didn't get it, didn't have the volume. And as soon as it started to come down and crack into the mid 1920s, I just sold it just to play it safe. And that put me green on the day. That last little, it's basically just like a little scalp, but when it dumped on me in the morning here, I just had a bad feeling that it would kind of do the same. And if I could lock it in up here and put me green on the day, why would I not do that? So that was basically that. Holding up nicely after hours. So we'll see if we can get a gap and push tomorrow. But as you can see, it's not a low market cap. It's not a low float. So it's just trading good volume. Nice earnings winner. FOSL basically the same thing, except it's not a breakout. It's just a first green day. Nice gapper in the morning. Just perked right away, and then I got into this nice little trend here, holding VWAP. Snagged some at, let me see my exact order, my fill, 1937 on this candle here, and got a nice little push, barely broke high of day, tapped 20. When it was consolidating right here, I was really expecting this to continue, and I let it dip. And it was having a nice little bounce. I was expecting it to push and break over 20. Stopped out right away for small loss. Ended up selling it at, let me see, 1916. I did have my stop at like 1908, yeah, it was 1906, right where this consolidation held, in VWAP where it was holding. Then once we got the confirmation, I really just brought my stop up a little bit to that 1916, just to keep my losses small, and ended up just dumped on me. So it took the small loss there, which was a little annoying, but that's basically it. This is going to be a quick video. Nothing much today. Not a whole lot going on. So we'll just keep this on watch for tomorrow and see how this opens. But every day there's just a new play in the morning, and you kind of just got to play the flow and play the trend of it in the morning, and then see how it holds up through midday, and see if it sets up any opportunities for later on in the day. So that's basically it. Pretty boring week so far, but only one red day this week, and been a lot more consistent than I have been in the past years. So just trying to keep growing and keep getting better. I'm just trying to take my take my snipes, take my profits, and move on to the next one. So I hope it made sense. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Later.